one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness.
Welcome back. Hey, Free and Al. We
are back.
Back on the road.
We are back.
We've had a bit of a stint back home, about 3 and a bit months.
Yep.
After some medical issues that we got fixed, and then we, had a bit of a drama. We'll drop some photos in here where we rode off the bottom of our car, thanks to the council, and it's finally now all fixed. Finally got it back after a few, issues, but it's back, and we're on the road to WA. Ew! How exciting! Never been to WA before. So it should be a great trip.
Yeah, absolutely frothing for it.
Here's hoping it'll be a great trip. This is the plan anyway. So yeah, come along for the adventure.
No, mate, don't have a copy.
Nah, I don't have a copy,
Anyway.
but thanks very much. So we'll have some visitors with us this time, some friends travelling with us, some friends. We will? No, some friends.
Some friends.
And we're going to spend some time on Rottnest and Exmouth, and
Breweries.
I'll celebrate my 50th on the road. And
I won't, because I'm a toy boy.
yeah, so that should be good. But we just want to drop in a massive thank you. For the last 3 and a bit months, we've been staying up at a very close friend's property, Rose and Bill. Thank you very much. Legends. We've been parked up in their front yard as the local riffraff, and spent some time there while we recouped from some surgery and got ourselves sorted with our car. So we can't thank you enough.
Yeah.
And
I went back to work.
yeah.
I had to work.
And I spent some time at home with the dogs.
And honestly, big thank you to Corey and Scott at Aramex for letting me sort of come and go as I pleased. I had a few days off here and there, and they were really cool about it, and probably one of the best jobs I've actually had.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. So
But yeah, we're very grateful. So
yeah.
right, WA, here we come. Yo!
What's wrong, Frey? Let me get your dindies.
So your lunch consists of tomato, mandarin or apple. What would you like first?
Tomato.
Tomato, excellent.
We're feeding the dogs while we're here. So Alvin, my little buddy, can have his juice.
His hemp juice.
Hemp juice, and his anti-inflammatory for his arthritis. So we're going to have tomatoes because we've got to get
Tomato.
we've got to get rid of them before we go into South Australia. I don't think we'll be getting 5 tomatoes.
No.
Anyway.
You never know. Do you?
No.
You might feel hungry and feel the need for tomatoes.
No.
Morning routine. Hello, Fraser. Puppy's been out. Daddy lies in bed. Of course. I'm looking very stylish this morning. Coffee on the go. But I had to show you this. Look at that. It's not as cold this morning. Hence my bit of cold coming on. But the sun's popping up over there, looking stylish. So we've arrived at a little
little town called Bordertown, which is actually not the border. We're still about, what, 2 hours or something from
About 3 hours
Adelaide,
from
yeah. However, it's a beautiful bush camp. $10 a night,
Bucks a night.
right near a little lake, river thing, whatever it is, lake.
It's a man-made lake. It's like Condobolin.
Okay. However, we've just come to our fridge to find some very explosive. Ew! Oh, nice slushies. So, what do you think's going on?
Don't know.
Oh, whoops. We've had some pretty cold nights, though.
Yeah, but it shouldn't do that.
Go over there. Hold it away from you. It won't even go out. Don't do that. Ah, nice. Beer's the same. Oh, look at it. It's iced. Don't do it here. Go over there. No. Ew. What's Daddy doing, Frey? So what was the fridge on?
Well, it was saying it was on 8.
8? Or -8?
Well, 5. But that should be... I usually set the fridge on
3.
3 or 4. So I'm just hoping something isn't mucking up in the fridge.
Yeah. Oh, look at that can. That's gone. Just after I've cleaned it all too. Is that actually still going?
I just turned it on then.
Oh, well, don't turn it on because we need to clean it. Ew. Okay. I'm with a bit of cleaning. Good morning from... Where are we?
Balhanna.
Balhanna. About 10 minutes from Hahndorf. We're staying at an RV park here. It's $15 a night, which is perfect. No power, no water. Lots of wind. So we're going to set up our addition just here because today beep beep is coming. All right, let's get to it. So we're going to go through and pick up Kel and we're going to hold up our sign. She's going to love us, isn't she?
Yeah, except I think this bloody...
Thing's taking you on a wild goose chase.
Oh, no, maybe not. Just like...
Barb's Road.
Road.
Oh, what the hell is this car in front doing?
I don't think the car in front knows what
No,
it's doing.
I don't think so either. Anyway, we'll come back to you at the airport. Ooh, looking. She said Subway was near her, but... Oh, yep, Subway.
There she is. There she is.
Oh, welcome home from jail. Puppies, honey Kelsey.
Are we going straight back?
Road trip.
Are we going straight back? You want to go for a drive?
Go wherever you want to go.
Like you said, tree at the
Nice effort. Who left their jumper on the plane?
Me.
Thanks, that's my first bit of editing. I think.
No, the first bit was face. She needs a bag out, Adam.
Can I come around you?
Yes, you can. You'll have to go right round though. This way. Welcome home. Okay, you can go in now.
Are you going to cook that here or are you going to cook inside?
Oh no, in the oven. Whee!
This will be my home for 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Oh, look at that little home.
I've even got a mat.
Oh yeah, well you had to have a mat. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Oh.
They need to be plugged in.
No, it has batteries. Oh, anyway, I didn't put the light on. There's supposed to be a light on the light box.
Happy birthday to me.
And I know it's early.
And I've got a dog bed.
And you got a dog bed. Well, one of the dogs has to sleep in
too
here.
small.
You what?
Picnic was way too small.
Yeah, well, we've got one too, but I don't know where. Oh, hang on. Turn your light on. Reach up. Tap your light. Tap your booby. And there's another one. Oh, no, the one on the ground. I didn't know how many lights you wanted. I've got batteries. That one hasn't got them in yet. Down on the ground there.
Ooh,
And does it need more air?
not for tonight.
No, I went. Oh, because it's just here. It's easy enough. But we wanted to give you your things early. Of course, they're things that you can use the whole trip. So it's like, right, you have to...
Am I opening now then?
Yeah. Do you want to open them here or in the van? And we'll put the kettle on, or what do you want?
Let's do the kettle.
Okay, righto. We'll see you in the van. Birthday time. And I know you don't drink, but anyway.
Didn't even pay attention what was on the paper.
Oh, didn't you? How rude.
Hey.
I'm sick and tired of seeing the $3 black one.
You know, how long have you said that to me? And
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
I still use it. Excellent.
Slouch bag. I know when you told me you'll bring the other one, I'm like, oh yeah, you know, I've already got your $3 back one.
Well, I had to bring something, right?
You did. True that. Very true. You got to read what's on them though. When it was so cold, I thought you might need winter jammies.
Yeah. The big decision maker.
So not you. Turn it around.
My own t-shirt. That's amazing.
And we couldn't write face on it, so we had to just put FF. Well, if you're part of the team for a month, you have to have your own shirt.
At least that design is not in copyright, Adam.
No.
Of one of your favourite bands?
Foo Fighters.
Fooey's?
Foo Fighters. How's it go,
Ladies
Adam?
and gentlemen, Foo Fighters.
Check that out.
Woohoo!
My own shirt. I'm so excited.
I thought you would be. Hence why we had to give them to you now, because it was like, you have to get maximum use out of these things. Honey, you're going my way. Have you escaped from jail? Show me your running star.
Let me in.
Stay. Run, Forrest, run! Be funny if you fell on your head. Funny. First night, the poor thing, there's been garbage bin collection at like 6 a.m. There's been
Police sirens.
police sirens and bloody dog
train.
fights and it was all happening. Anyway, we're off to Harndorf today. Yes, we have been here before a number of times, but Kel hasn't, so we're going there for a little wander.
Lee, it's closed.
It's cold when you know when the old men put their socks on under their sandals. What do you want? What you want, Frey Frey? You want pie? Your Auntie Kel's so mean she won't share it. Mind you, she has already cleaned the pie off my leg. What do you get?
I got a Kransky.
A what?
A Kransky.
Nice.
Got a little bit of a bite to it actually. It's
Quite hot.
ready to drink.
That one looks alright in that pastry, but not that one that's sobo.
Oh no. No. Officially 12 degrees. Very cold. We're all running our noses.
Sorry, you'll have to block that. You'll have to
You
cut
got
that
snot?
out.
Hello. Hello, Al. Okay, you got to put this into action now.
No, they're not. Just stand there. Anyone can just stand there.
Yeah, and then they just do this, don't they?
Then they do this. Wait for the music. Go. Yeah, but what's it called? German dancing? German dancing. Are you going to go German dancing?
Yeah, come on, Adam.
Go, Adam.
Together. I'll just follow you, Adam. I don't know.
German dancing.
Some weird German stuff.
Can you do it together though? Okay.
You're asking a lot there.
Yeah. Okay, now German dancing. So not like what we saw. You need to look like them.
I did look like them.
Standing still. Oh, they're cute. It's a statue. It's alright. It's okay. Come. It's okay. Come. Look. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, hello. It's a sheep. The biggest rocking horse in the world. And then there's one over there for midgets like you.
Pay to go up that thing.
Oh, you have to, just because.
Just go and play in the little one.
It was opened in 1981, Kel, on the 11th of December.
Alright, look, normal one, Kelly one.
That's what I said. And here's Kelly's one. Can I double with you?
Does it work?
Oh, look.
It's not going. Giddy up.
Row, row. Adam. Did you leave Albert in the car? Oh, gotta get. Oh, don't slip on that silver bit. Oh. Kel, you can't go up. You must be accompanied by an adult. Right, let's go. Have a little lookies. We don't need to go in there, do we? Oh, look. You can be the mummy Joey and I'll be the baby Joey. That's just what's his. We'll go and have a look in here. Look, a horse's ass.
Don't stand under it.
Whoa. As big as your head, look. Milo. Hey, you know that big jugger thing of Milo? That'd fit in there. What did you buy today, Adam?
Me?
Yeah.
Lollies.
What did Kel buy? Just enough Milo for a week. Look, wrong. I want some Milo too.
Oh, and I bought a tap.
On a tap.
I bought a tap.
Excellent. To turn me on?
That I'm about to fit.
I think we killed our doggies. Alvin, Fraser, stop it. They're too tired.